Hey everyone, Stacking Toys, and today we're going to be unboxing something that I got on Amazon. So, I looked at some tripods and most of them range from like, $70 to $100 or over. Like at Best Buy, so I was like, you know what, why don't I get something that's way under my budget? But I saw this one on Amazon. I wanted to see if it was any good, so I picked it up. And it came today, so let's unbox it. I want to see if this will work. Just like as a backup tripod. And, see if it's not as bad as it, looks like. But I was like, you know what, let's just see. And I got one for a good price. A bit expensive-ish. It's not the best, of course. You're not getting like a Gorillapod or something like that, And this box is hard to open. Alright, there we go. Sorry if I bumped the tripod by accident on my current one. I wanted to upgrade mine because I've had it for a couple of years and it works fine, but it kind of gets in the way of me when I make my own videos. So, well, this is nice. It comes in a separate box. Let's put the Amazon box aside. It says UBeesize. Got it from a company of this. It's actually very small and compacted. It's 51 inches, so it's kind of okay to start off with. Let's see here. Just open the tab. There you go. And just pull it like that, and then it just opens like that right here. It came with a case and then a little travel bag and a phone mount. Not the best, but at least it'll do to travel or a backup one for now. And it says UBeesize TR50. Comes in a little sat bag. Again, not the best, but at least it'll do for now. Really nice. Here's something rattling in there. Let's go ahead and open this up. It's like a drawstring bag, I suppose. Alright, here we go. It's really small. There we go. And there is the phone mount and stuff. Let's go ahead and open it. Oh, there you go. From actually the top. Alright, let's put that aside for a little bit and see what comes in the bag. So you get a smallish type of a phone mount right here, I suppose. Because that's what was included in the picture. Alright, if I can unfold this. Yep. Kind of cheap looking, not the best, but it'll do. I've never had one of these. I used to, but it broke, so this is good for my phone. Although my phone is a bit big, but it'll do if I need to record something on my phone. Yeah, that's the phone mount. It's really stretches, like really huge. Here it is. It could fold up nice and nice, and then here's a screwish type for the tripod to screw it on. We come with like a little instruction, little booklet. Operating instructions, here it is. It's a professional tripod. They say that in all of those. So here you have like a little picture, an overview of how it looks like. You have the pan locking knob. It comes with a device locking knob too. A 1/4 standard screw interface. Then it comes with a vertical tilt locking knob and a handle with a center column locking knob. The aluminum alloy legs and the flip locks. I'm going to see if this is actually aluminum. It's for cameras, phones, you can tighten it up, stuff like that. Here we go. And then we have the tripod. It kind of looks flimsy in some way, but it's actually kind of has some heft and weight to it. I'm going to send in here, it says UBeesize TR50 does stretch up to 51 inches. And yeah, here at the top we have like a little handle to move it. I like it because it's not like, squeaky and stuff. The thing is, I don't like is now I finally noticed it doesn't go left or right. Great. Now I'm going to have to deal with my videos being like this. It's just kind of cheap looking, but it'll still do. And to see if this is actually tightened, will it still falls. Wait, do I have to tighten this? It still falls. Disappointment. Oh, do I also have to tighten this? There's so many knobs to tighten. I mean, it still falls. That's a disappointment in this one. Has 3 legs to extend. And yeah, that's a little unboxing of this. Nothing too big or special, but it'll do for now. And yeah, that was the unboxing of the UBeesize TR50 tripod. It goes up to 51 inches. Anyway, thank you for watching. More videos coming soon. Definitely this week and next week, so stay tuned. And like this video if you did, and subscribe to not to miss any more content whenever I upload. Tell me what tripods you recommend. Right? Have a great day. Bye.